Hey Tom, good to see you, my friend.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, good. Yeah, you can totally do whether you have the Chrome extension or the desktop app, as soon as you hit record, just start scrolling.
For some reason, it doesn't allow me to scroll. I must be doing something wrong. I usually use the desktop.
All right, let me see. So desktop app. Let's open this up here and check it out. Record screen. Okay, here we go. Let me put myself on the screen. All right, let me close this other stuff to get this stuff out of the way.
And I have the little thing where I like the arrows and the circle and stuff. So I
Oh,
don't
yeah,
know.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, you have the annotation tool. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what it would look like. So I'm gonna hit record. Here we
Okay.
go. All right, I'm recording my video. Here we go. Hey, check out this page. Yeah, you should be able to just to scroll because I'm just scrolling. Like I'm not
I'm
anywhere
just
near over
scrolling.
this.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hmm.
and then the annotations for the desktop app are slightly different because when you use these things, different than the Chrome, these do not stay sticky. They'll follow you down if you move. So it's different with the desktop app. Now, you can delete them after you show what you want to show. You also, when you use this thing, and this might be maybe the issue that you're having, when you use this thing, I can't scroll now. Okay. So I have
I
to
guess
go,
that's my question. Yeah.
yeah. So what happens is you got to click this, see this arrow up here at the top?
Yep.
You got to click that, and now I can scroll.
Okay.
Yeah, and see how the annotations don't they roll with you.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
would
Yeah.
just, I would show what you want to show, then click delete, get rid of them. But anytime you use this thing, you got to click the arrow at the top to make it
Okay.
back so you can scroll. Yep.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Little nuance there. Desktop app's awesome, but there's a little kind of, other stuff you kind of got to do that makes it possible to move.